Good morning guys, welcome from London Stansted Airport. Yes, I'm here back again, like I said last week that I'll be back here in less than a week. And guys, you can see I'm behind my second home. This is now literally my second home and we are currently going to Sofia, Bulgaria. This is my mom's second birthday trip that I gave her. I just gave her 2 tickets, here you go, enjoy your life. And this is the second one, now she better not ask for any more. But this is not a day trip compared to Sweden. This is going to be a one-night stay over, so we're going today early morning. It is currently, I think, 5 o'clock right now. Our flight is for 6, and then we'll be coming back tomorrow evening. So I'm going to be taking you guys on this adventure. Now let's go and roam around Stansted. My second home. Let's go.
One eternity later.
Sofia, Bulgaria International Airport. It is actually snowing really heavily and it's currently -4. I checked the weather before coming here and it said it was between 5 and 10 degrees. Turns out it was wrong. So now that we're here, we're going to be taking the metro outside and going into the city. Let's go do some shopping. So we are currently here stood at the metro station here right outside the airport. We have just come outside from that airport and it is just a 1-minute walk and we are here. We're waiting for the train currently. It is coming in 3 minutes. There is a bit of a language barrier here, however, if you ask people, it's fine. And this will take us straight to the center and we'll be getting out right there. The first time in Bulgaria, first time in public transport here as well. Let's see what it is. So we have finally made our way to the Mall of Sofia. This is a 8-minute walk from our hotel, which we've just put our luggage down. Our room is not ready, however, I am hungry and we are here having some really nice pizza. This is a kind of like a Subway, but not for normal sandwiches. This is for a pizza, so it's a create your own. And we've just placed an order for corn dog as well. First time trying it, hope it's good. Let's have this pizza now. It's more of a healthy pizza, but it's nice. Right guys, so we've just been roaming around in the shopping mall for so long. However, we still have not gone to the bottom floor, which hopefully we will be able to soon now. And we've just had food, like I said, and we've roamed around at least for 2 hours. Now we're going downstairs. So now we are here, of course, having more food. We've got 2 different cakes. They look amazing. Definitely not something that we've had. And a coffee. This is our little break after our shopping spree. You know, we deserve this after several hours of shopping. Okay guys, so we are finally here. I need to keep my indoor voice. We are finally here at our hotel at the Hotel Central Sofia in Sofia, Bulgaria. I am now really tired and we're finally here after a whole day of being in the mall, of being in the metro, of traveling, of being in flights. We are here at room 2112 and this is a very nice hotel. You can very much tell it is newly renovated as everything is very nice, even the room inside, even like the corridor. You've got a smart lock. It's very nice. I beautifully love it. Anyway, this is where we are going to be now sleeping as we are really tired, and I guess I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. There is no separate video, however this will be the only video, and this is our room. So very nice, comfortable room and very neatly decorated, as I said. So I'm really tired and I'm going to have some food, some little snacks. Got our Pringles right here. and I will be seeing you guys tomorrow, breakfast, early morning at probably 9 o'clock. See you guys at 9. Bye. Good morning, guys. Now I'm all ready to go down for breakfast. Let's get some food. Come on. So guys, after having breakfast, we are now checked out of the hotel and I am right in front of Paradise Center. This mall is massive. It looks really nice and very big. So we are probably going to be here for a few hours, and there are nice shops beside, like this coat. You will not get something like this in the UK. Besides that, the weather is actually really nice right now. It is less cold than yesterday and I think it's around 1 degree, so that's really good. Now let's head into the shopping mall. Come on. I am currently stood inside of Paradise Center and guys, it is pure paradise. You can see it is a massive shopping mall. It will definitely take us a good few hours here. Let's start exploring and let's start shopping. Come on. My mom's gonna kill me, but it's fine. It was her birthday trip. There's so much roaming around in Paradise Center. We are finally here in the food court and it definitely feels like a mall in India as it is massive and the amount of food options are amazing. I have gotten a crunch wrap from Señor Burrito. I wanted something Spanish and we were having this. That is what it looks like. It's very nice and warm. Now let's have a bit. Definitely crunchy. Right guys, so we've just had food and we are finally leaving this massive mall. It's such a big mall, we haven't even managed to go all the floors. However, now it's soon time to head to the airport. We are hopefully trying to get in my cathedral that I really want to go to, the main cathedral, the Patriarchal Alexandra Cathedral, the main one in Sofia and the biggest one. It looks absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait to go there. Hopefully we have enough time as we spent a bit more time in this mall sitting upstairs in the food court than we expected to, but let's see if we can. After we just left the mall, however, unfortunately we did not be able to go to the church that I really wanted to go to. However, we are now here at the metro station. 70p to get to the airport is the cheapest travel I've seen to get from one place to another in any city, and we are just waiting for the metro to come and we're going to be heading to Sofia airport. You can see the train station is quite crowded. For a Sunday, this is very crowded and very busy as well. As you can see right behind me, there are a lot of people. So we better get there quick because we want to get our seat to head to the airport. So we're finally here back at Sofia Airport. We've just passed security. There was a bit of a line, but we're here right behind me at the duty free. Let's go explore some duty free. However, our flight is delayed. Not that long, however, originally it was 7:25, now it's at 7:50. not the biggest delay. Hopefully there's no more delays. Let's go now.
One eternity later.
So guys, we are here waiting in line to board our plane. There was a whole bit of drama about 7:50. Our flight is not delayed anymore. It is for 7:25. Maybe a bit delayed. However, we are now waiting in line. You can see the airplane's right there. It is really foggy, really cold. However, this is where our Bulgaria trip ends. It was really nice and I definitely liked it. Exploring in shopping malls. I couldn't go to my cathedral as of time. However, I'll be back next time. And so this is where I'll be ending my video, and I guess I will see you guys in another travel vlog. As last week I was in Sweden, a month ago I was in Morocco, and now I'm here in Bulgaria. You'll see more travel videos coming soon. Bye!